My name is Janice, and in this video I would like to show you PosterStack and its online capabilities to add and change blog posts. So I guess you're familiar with PosterStack and its, let's say, offline way to add poster items to a list of blog posts. So here, with adding one poster item, you will also get one additional blog post in your list. With PosterStack 1.11, it's now possible to use a server-side folder and text files or markdown files in that folder to render blog posts dynamically without a need to start RapidWeaver. Therefore, we go into the stacks library and choose the new poster folder child stack. We add it on top of either existing posts or we just start from scratch. In this markdown folder or poster folder stack, we have to define the server-side directory, which I will use the name blog, and we're able to define the sorting algorithm, which will be by date. I will publish this locally on my machine. So here we have now our poster demo page without any content inside. Now I will create the first text file. This can be done with an FTP application, for example, on your remote server. I will give it a proper name and I will change this text file now with a text editor. So here I give it a title, my first blog post, and add some long text. After refreshing the page, you will see a new blog post appears with the current date, and you're also able to navigate into and back. This is a plain text file. You can add metadata to this text file in order to give it more attributes. For example, a title, a date, a header image, categories, tags, authors, and a lot more. So for adding metadata, we just add 3 hyphens and start with our attributes. So for example, I'll give it a title, my first blog post, and a date, which I will set back in time, 1st of November. And now I will give it a separator for the long text, also 3 hyphens. I'm saving and I will refresh the page and you see it's now 1st of November. I'm able to separate summary content from further long text. So here I'm able to add an HTML comment like read more, and this will give us further capabilities of separating the text. So here, refresh the page, click on read more. I'm able to have here the long text and in the list the summary. In order to give it a header image, we are just able to add there an additional attribute like header image and give it a source attribute and refresh the page, and here there's the image. In order to having appearing this image also in the details, we're just able to add here header image details true, refresh the page, and here we have the image also here. Okay, adding more posts is easy. You're just able to duplicate the file, give it another name, and add this file then in your text editor. And you need a different title, or you're also able to give it a dedicated slug to separate different blog posts from each other. I will give it another date here, and yeah, refresh the page, and you will see you have here a typo. You have here the second blog post, and when clicking on it, you will see that the slug is used as permalink. Okay, let's go on. We are able to add these also in the markdown editor. So I have iAWriter as my favorite editor, and I'm able to drag and drop this file here and edit this here directly in the markdown editor. You're also able to do this with your mobile device. So FTP applications on your mobile device are able to push files to your iAWriter on your iPad or on your iPhone, and then you're able to add them there and push them back to the FTP server. So here, for example, I'm able to add a list, and you see that you have the Brevy here directly on the right hand side. You're able to refresh the page. I have to open it in the iAWriter so that it will be correctly linked. Okay, let's refresh the page, and here we have then a list, and you're also able then to add an image tag, for example, in Markdown. Let's take here a second image. And refresh the page. Okay, so we have text editors, which are also integrated in FTP applications. We have Markdown editors. What we have more? We have the possibility to use repository stack in order to add or edit blog posts. So, for example, I'm able to take here the new file dialog and add blog 3, and also have here title, my third blog post, give it a date and say it's from November the 9th. Separate the metadata from the content and add additional content here. The nice thing here is that repository stack has markdown syntax features. So here, let me finish this first. You have here the option to choose markdown as a syntax, and with this you are able to have nicely structured text editing possibilities here also. Okay, save and refresh the file, refresh the page, and yeah, going to the list. Okay, and here we have then our third blog post done with repository stack, and it's obvious that this is possible on mobile device and iPad also. So this video was about poster stack, its online capabilities to add and change blog posts dynamically without the need to start RapidWeaver. Let me know your feedback and have fun with it. Thanks for watching.